Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on farm preparation update. And today I'm standing next to the transmission tower, and you can see there has been rain in last after the last video, and the crop is behind me. So last time I showed you the beans that were green and crop was all green, but I think it's 2 weeks since the video, and the crop had started to ripen and the beans are started to turn in black color. And I think within next 2 weeks this crop will be ready to harvest. I will show you the crop in more detail. So this is one of the beans that I showed you in the last video. See, here is the green bean, and when it ripens it turns into black color. And similarly you can see here it started to turn in black, which shows that the crop is almost ready. And the green color you see in the crops, it will completely look in brown color. And I think some of the plants have started to lose their leaves, which means that they are getting ready. You can see here that this plant, it has lost all of its leaves and only the beans are left. And I will open one of the bean to show the crop. See here, so this is black gram. It does not look completely black, it's in brown color because it's not completely ripen, and when it completely ripe the color is almost black. So this is the update after 2 weeks, and the corn shoots I mentioned have started producing corn. Yes, this is, I will have sweet corns to eat in next 2 weeks, and there are lots of corn plants here. Yeah, I'm so excited about that. Yes, so this is the black gram farm. Okay, and yes, after my last video I mentioned that I was planning to plant some dragon fruit here in this area, but I have planted them somewhere else. So right now I have planted a tomato here, and see the fruits, it's green. It has so many tomatoes, and I think by my next videos it will be completely red and ripe. And I have also planted some papaya plants here. See this here, one, two, there one, and so total 5 papaya plants. And I will show you where I have planted those dragon fruits. Yes, it's close. Yes, so there, see. Okay, I have planted these 3 dragon fruit plants. One of them is red variety, other is yellow, and one is a white colored fruit. So I don't know which of them will bear which fruit, but I will understand when the fruit comes. So this is the another piece of land, and in previous video I mentioned that we were removing the new sprouts of the plant, so that it has grown so many branches and it will produce more harvest. So far all the plants are looking good, and yes, there was a heavy rain, I think 3 times. So I was in the farm but I didn't film the video. Today the weather is nice, so I thought I would give it a try. So you can see the previous, so this was where the previous sprouts of this tree, and we removed that, and after that you can see the tree has spread its branches from various sides, and that's why it has more branches and it will produce more yield. Okay, I'm going near to the other piece of property, and you can see that the weed which was grown on the boundary is looking something dry, because we have sprayed some herbicide on this to make sure that the area which we always work is safe and there are no insects or snake or any type of human hazard. To avoid that, we will completely remove the weed which is grown here, and the area will be safe to work. Yes, so it looks good. Yes, I'm here. Okay, so the crop from this side has also started to lose its leaves. Only this side looks green, and towards that side the plants have started to produce corn, and you can see there are many corn plants here. And next is, yes, the mulberry plants that I planted. They are growing, and see this black gram, it has lost all of its leaves. You can see the difference between this plant and this, so it tells that the crop is getting ready, and within 1 or 2 weeks we can harvest it. Let's go to the mulberry plants real fast. Yes, not, it's a chiku tree. This is another chiku tree here, and one mango tree here, and yes, this is one of the many mulberry plants. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have planted 4 more, so when it starts to produce leaves I will include them in my next videos. And the crop on this side has grown so much taller. I mean, it's mind-blowing. Yes, it's almost half of my height and I think within 1 month the space between these two lines will be completely covered by these plants. So yeah, this is how it's look, and it's evening time. The sun is setting there, and we now enter the last piece of our property. As you can see here, the herbicide is working really good, and the area which was so dangerous to work, now it looks some nice. Okay, so this crop is not ready yet because there was, I think, 5 days or 1 week delay to sow the seeds in this area. So after 1 week, I think the plants will start to lose their leaves, and the beans which are green now will start to turn black. And yes, corn plants here and there. So I have walked so far into the farm and shown you of the growth and the update in past 2 weeks, and I'm standing in the last piece of property, and I think within 1 2 weeks we will start the harvesting the crops, and I will try to make a small video of the harvest. So that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching video. Bye.